What structure connects the brain and the spinal cord? Brainstem. What is the phenomenon called when plant leaves grow toward sunlight? Phototropism. What effect does chronic stress have on the brain? Reduced hippocampal function. What is the common indicator used to determine the acidity or basicity of a solution? pH. Which gas makes up the largest proportion of the air? Nitrogen. Under what conditions does superconductivity occur? Below a specific critical temperature. Why does Mars appear red on its surface? Iron oxide. What protein carries oxygen in human blood? Hemoglobin. Which heat loss mechanism in animal thermoregulation does not involve sweat secretion? Radiation. Which brain area finally controls movement? Cerebellum. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Which layer inside Earth exists in a liquid state? Outer core. What is the phenomenon called when the moon's appearance changes from a full moon to a waning crescent? Lunar phase change. What is the process called by which the body recovers after exercise? Return to normal metabolism. After the red giant stage in a star's life cycle, what is the final stage for a low-mass star? White dwarf. Which organ is responsible for blood circulation? The heart. What is the physical region formed around a current-carrying conductor called? Magnetic field. What is the volcanically and seismically active region encircling the Pacific Ocean called? Ring of fire. Why does light bend when passing through a lens? Because its speed changes in different media. What is the point on Earth's surface directly above an earthquake's origin called? Epicenter. What is the term for the several pieces into which Earth's lithosphere is divided? Tectonic plates. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. What is the approximate average salinity of the oceans expressed as a percentage? Approximately 3.5%. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. What state must a circuit be in for current to flow? Closed. What is the wind that blows from sea toward land called? Sea breeze. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum does a TV remote use? Infrared. What is the process called that pulls water from roots to leaves in plants? Transpiration. What is the layer in the ocean where temperature changes rapidly between surface and deep waters called? Thermocline. During cell division, at which stage are chromosomes aligned at the cell's equator? Metaphase. What three elements are needed for a reflex action? Sensory input, nerve, and muscle. What is the basic structural unit of living organisms? Cell. What force causes the coil in an electric motor to rotate? Interaction between electric current and magnetic field. Which brain hormone mainly acts when feeling love? Oxytocin. What is the main component of dry ice? Carbon dioxide. What covers about 70% of Earth's surface? Water. What is the difference between an insulator and a conductor? Their electrical conductivity. Which gas in Earth's atmosphere absorbs ultraviolet radiation? Ozone. What is the principle by which electricity is generated in a generator? Movement of conductors within a magnetic field. What is the negatively charged particle that orbits an atomic nucleus? Electron. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.